Very good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain about assignment 13 from 9th class. The topic is surface areas and volumes. So actually this is a mistaken. So let's go for the first assignment question. Find the value of a right circular cone with radius 6 centimeters and height is 7 centimeters. So first of all you have to find, so what is the volume of right circular cone? So the given data is how much is radius r is equal to 6 centimeters, the height h is equal to 7 centimeter, h is equal 7 centimeter. So based on these two, now we have to find the volume of right circular cone. Yes, this is the slant height. So what is the volume of a right circular cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So volume of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square will become 36 into h is equal to how much is given? 7. Here 7 will get cancelled. So that 1 by 3 into, so here it is 22 into 36. Here 3 ones are 3 12s are. The product of 22 and 12 will become 464 cubic centimeter. That is the volume of cone. So volume of cone is equal to 464 cubic centimeter. Let's go for the next question. Yes, a hip of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meters. So d is equal to how much is given? That is 12 meters. D is equal to 12 meters and height is given as h is equal to 8 meters. So find its volume. So volume V is equal to volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r is nothing but what? So here it is d is equal to 12 meters. So that what is the radius? R is equal to d by 2, half of diameter, that is 12 by 2 will become 6 meters. 6 meters is the radius of cone. Just replace 6 in the place of radius, that is 6 square into height will become 8. Just simplify this, that is 22 into 36 into 8 upon 3 into 7 upon 3 into 7. Here it is 3 ones are 3 12 times. Let's multiply this. Here 22 into 12, it is 464 into 8 upon 7. 464 into 8 upon 7. Multiply this, that is 464 to 8, 32, 51, 37. That is 3712 upon 7. So this is the volume of cone. This is the volume of cone, which is cubic meters. Yes, which is cubic meters. Now we need to find how much canvas cloth is required to cover the hip. Yes. So let's take. So in order to find how much canvas cloth is required to cover the hip means we need to find a CSA, that is curved surface area of cone. That is curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. We know the radius of cone. What is L? L is nothing but what? Slant height. L is slant height. The slant height can be taken as the square root of r square plus h square, where h is the original height of a cone. Just replace to for r with a 6 meters, that is 6 square plus h is 8 square. So it will become 36 plus 64. So the total is 100. The square root of 100 is the slant height of a cone. So that L is equal to how much? This can be taken as 10 meters. L is equal to 10 meters. Now we need to find the how much canvas cloth is required by finding the curved surface area of the cone. That L is equal to how much? 10 meters. L is equal to 10 meters is equal to pi is nothing but 22 by 7. So r is 6 meters. So L is 10 meters. Just to multiply this, 22 into 6, that is 12, 12, 13. Yes, 132. 132 into 10 upon 7. This is 1320 upon 7. Just divide these two. Yes. Yes. So we can divide this 1320 and 7. This is how many times? One time, that is 7. So 6 and will become 62. So 8 times 56 and 4 6 1 8 188. So the answer is 188.1 meter cube. That is meter square. This is given in the meters only, no. So this is a CSA of cone, means how much convex glass is required, means which is 188.1 square meters. Let's go for the third question. The CSA of a cone is 4070 square centimeters and the diameter is 70 centimeters. What is the slant height? Yes. So given that, how much is given? The diameter D is equal to 70 centimeters. So that from that, what is the radius, which is half of diameter? That is 70 centimeter upon 2 is equal to 35 centimeter. So that R is equal to 35 centimeter. The radius of circular cone is 35 centimeter. Now how much is given? So that is CSA. CSA of cone is equal to how much is given? 4070 square centimeter. What is the formula of CSA of a cone? That is pi r L is equal to 4070, which is square centimeters. So from this we can find the slant height, that is L. Just to substitute, this is, that is where pi is 22 by 7. So R is nothing but what? 35. Next L is equal to 4070. So this is what? So R is 35. Yes. So here 7 ones are 7 5s are. So it will become 110 into L is equal to 4070. So where L is equal to 4070 upon 110. Here 0 will get cancelled. So 11 ones are 7. Yes, 3s are how many times? 7. So that L is equal to 37. L is equal to how much? 37 centimeters. So given it is 37 centimeter. This is the slant height of the right circular cone. So let's go for the fourth question. The volume of a cone is 462 meter cube. Its base radius is 7 meters. Find its height. Yes. So given that, so base radius, that is R is equal to how much is given? That is 7 meters. R is equal to 7 meters. Yes, we can take it as small r. Yes, small r is equal to 7 meters. What is the volume of cone? The volume of cone is given as 462 meter cube. 462 meter cube. We need to find what is height. H is equal to how much? Just to replace, the volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 462 meter cube. So 1 by 3, where pi is 22 by 7. So where r is nothing but what? R is 7 meters, that is 7 square. So h we don't know. H we don't know, write it as is equal to 462. So from this here 7 will get cancelled. Yes, just to find h is equal to 462 into 3 upon 22 into 7. 22 into 7. Here how many times? 22 ones are, 22 21s are. Yes. So this can be written as 21 into 3 upon 7. So here it is. So here it is 7 ones are, 7 3s are. So that height of circular cone is, that is 3 3s are 9 meters. So 9 meters is the height of the given cone whose volume is 462 meter cube. Let's go over the next question. Yes, the base area of the cone is 38.5 square centimeter. 38.5 square centimeter. Its volume is 77 centimeter square. Find its height. What is given that? Find its, that is volume is equal to how much is given? Volume of cone is equal to 77 is square centimeter cube. Square centimeter cube. Next, the base area of a cone is 38.5 square centimeter. The base area base area is equal to 38.5 square centimeter. So this can be written as volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h is equal to 77. Let me take this is the first equation. Next, area of the base. What is the base which is in the form of circular base? That is pi r square is equal to how much? That is 38.5. It is square centimeter, it is cubic centimeter. So let me take this is equation number 2. So in order to find height of the cone, we need to divide first equation with the second. So that is yes. So divide 1 with 2, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h upon pi r square is equal to 77 upon 38.5. So here pi r square will get cancelled. So that is h by 3 is equal to how much? It is 38.1 2 directly will get cancelled, is equal to 2. So that h is equal to how much? 6 centimeters. H is equal to 6 centimeter, which is the height of the cone. These are the assignment questions. Thank you, children.